Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this OnePlus. You need to begin by accessing device's clock. After that, click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and create your own by choosing this plus icon. Now you can set up an hour, and after that click on days of the week that you wish to set up, in my case Mondays and Fridays. Now scroll down and click on label. Over here you can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and save it by tapping on save. Now click on this switcher next to vibrate to switch off or on vibrations, and click on alarm ringtone. Then you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one and tap on the back button, or you can click on alarm ringtone, choose on this device instead, and click on the song that you wish to set up, in my case this one. When you're ready, click on the back button twice. Now choose allow in this pop-up, and finally save your alarm by choosing set. As you can see, after that mine was successfully created. If you wish to turn it off, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it, select delete over here, and now it's gone. If you want to adjust even more alarm settings, just click on this gear icon at the top right corner and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!